Ay, putang ina. Okay. Nakakabis to. Ayun na. Para naman bata naman to ah. Babagod na ako. Hi, so we're going to shine on me. Yes, summer is over yet. Skinny dipping with your heart. Hi, so yeah. I'm Ron and this is para naman bata naman to ah. Parang estudyante. Sabay-sabay tayo mga bata. My name is kami ay pupunta ng ng Daranak. Slow down. Are we there yet? Not yet. We are not yet there yet. We haven't. We haven't there yet. We haven't still. We are not yet there. Ganda naman po nung taon. Siya ay bumevend. She's a vending tree. She's the earthbender. Where are we heading? We are straight ahead of the mountaineering. Just straight ahead. Don't look back. Don't look sideways. Kakatakot naman yung don't look back para tayo nasa wrong turn. It's very kawayaning. It's very in the side of the road in. Accident prone area. Feels the fit that she throws it. She pops more now she's dozing. So yeah, we're here in Daranak Falls. Ay be, kala ko aso ka.
Tingnan nyo, may poking inang patatas. Kaya nga, mga bobo ang puta.
So maglalakad na lang kami papunta ng entrance because we're poor as fuck and we cannot afford a tricycle ride. So this is gonna be an exercise for us. Oh, we're naman sa English na para bench.
May piso wifi dyan.
Ay, piso wifi.
Wala ba? For what? Entrance, another entrance. For Batlag. Batlag Falls. So, pataas na kami sa Batlag Falls. The entrance is
100 million.
everybody 100 million each person. Mabagod na ako. Forestry.
Wow, look at the place. It's very pleased, Matt. Hello. Dito na lang tayo. O doon pa. Ayun. Way. Ay, ganda.
We have the chicharon.
Show them the menu.
Chicharon.
In the shade?
In the shade of brown. We have the bok choy in the shade of dirty white.
Dirty brown. Elephant brown.
And we have the kaimito in the shade of
Purplish red. Purplish
with
green.
green.
O, napagod lang ako.
Ay, putang ina, hindi tayo nakabiling kanin.
Shit. Actually, may mabili ko sa baba. Pili ko.
Sino na? Hindi na.
Mo.
Hindi kami nakabiling kanin, so I have to look for kanin.
O kaya, mangburaot na lang tayo rin. Gamitin mo ang charm. Charmander.
Ikaw ang ma-charm eh.
Hello. Ayan! Cute. Thumbs. Dalawang thumbs po, sir. Ganda. Medyo konti lang yung tao dito, guys. Sa Batlag area. Kasi nga, grabe naman kasi yung nilakad namin. Pataas, magpataas. Ayoko na mag-nature trip. Outdoor trip lang. Ate, mali! Bless this food. Bless the person who made this food, Lord. Thank you. Tadakimasu.
So we'll be exploring the Batlag Falls.
Ganda. It's dirty here.
Oh. At naliligaw na nga tayo. Malalim ba dyan, te? Ganyan lang.
Ay, dito na tayo. Ito yung nag-landslide. Natabunan na siya. Malalim dyan, papi. Malalim ba dyan? Oo. Oo, yun o. Hello vlog. Sobrang ganda here. Yung mga tao lang hindi maganda. Hindi fresh. Pero overall, ako naman yung fresh. Ako lang yung nagdala sa Batlag Falls. Batlag. Ito naman si Batlog Falls. So, tapos na kaming banlaw.
Actually, hindi kami nagbanlaw.
Nagpalit lang kami ng damit.
Yeah, kasi ang baho ng CR.
nung palitan, ang panghe. Parang kakapit sa'yo hanggang
Pero
next
mukha,
year.
yung sinabi ko lang ang nagbanlaw.
Okay lang, magbabalaw lang tayo sa bahay.
Sure.
Tsaka nasa Rizal lang naman tayo. Tsaka hindi naman kulirin.
Actually.
Isang pitik dyan.
Bumili siya ng
Bakit?
Mango Graham Bar.
Ice cream pala naman.
Ayan.
Sarap. 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 Ano, parang gusto ko din ito.
Happy na lang tayo, hindi ko maubos.
Hindi eh.
I got the special sweet jelly mango. Yeah, para bench.
So, pauwi na kami.
Ano?
Ay, dyan.
Tara na. Ano?
Ano, Tara? Thank you, kuya.
American shape.
Gago. Sinisira mo, hal.
I've been trying to stay inside. It's young Swedish boy on my face. Oops, that's not shock